I'm Russell Schindler. I'm a geologist and I've been doing environmental work for 33 years and I'm the CEO of SampleServe. Most people don't know this, but the #1 source of groundwater pollution in the United States is your typical corner gas station. There are other types of groundwater pollution out there, manufacturing firms, pipelines, refineries, your dry cleaner, even a home heating fuel tank. One of the things, once you have groundwater pollution, every state has different regulations, but every state requires that you do some type of reporting. You would think, though, that the environmental industry and industry founded in science and technology would be using the latest and greatest technologies to collect this information and prepare those reports. I'm here to tell you, though, they're not. They're still actually using techniques and methods that they developed about 30 years ago. And each one of these reports, even for these small corner gas stations, can cost between $2,000 and $4,000 each. And so it ends up being a lot of money. The SampleServe product digitizes each step in the data collection process and completes those same images and maps in just a matter of seconds. This saves that money previously spent creating those maps and images so it can be used on actual cleanup. The key to our technology is our labeling process and our patented digital chain of custody. There are actually 4 parts to our platform. The first part is the project management tool. The project manager actually connects directly to the laboratory through the project management tool, and they can pull sample menus right out of the lab that they selected. And then once they've got that scope of work done, it gets pushed to the mobile field app. The mobile field app, again, prints those sample bottle labels in the field at the time of sampling. And the sample labels have a unique barcode and a QR code. That QR code allows the laboratory to scan the samples in at the lab using our separate mobile lab app just in a matter of seconds. There's 52 samples there, done in under 10 seconds. And then when they're done, when they push that lab data back to the platform, they're able to generate all their reports, all the tables, maps, graphs, everything they need just in a matter of seconds. So an oil company that has, say, several hundred leaking underground storage tanks, they have a set budget every year for applying to those projects. Well, if we can save them part of their budget that they would normally spend, paying people to generate reports by the hour and then using inefficient sampling methods, well, if we can save them that kind of money, which is significant, we're able to let them take that money and spend it on things that are going to make a difference, like actually cleaning things up. So here's our business model in one sentence. People give us their data for free. We turn around and sell it back to them as well-organized and easily customizable graphical reports. So one of the other products that we can develop is machine learning. And what machine learning is if I've got a bunch of data on, say 100 sites, hundreds or even thousands of sites, then I get a new project coming in. With machine learning, we can look at the data set from that new project coming in, then we can actually learn from all of our other projects and then do some predictions of what our new project looks like 5 years from now, 10 years from now. And that's really what people want to know. We do have some competition out there, but by far and large, the largest form of competition is the status quo. It's the engineering companies that are currently doing things the way they do, using Excel and other methods that take a long time, and they're billed by the hours. Now, the environmental engineering services market is a huge worldwide market. In 2018, it was $33 billion. By 2025, it'll be a $44 billion market. And it's all driven by ever-increasing environmental liability and environmental regulation. So here's our projected financials. We're already making money off of software. Our key product indicators, numbers of projects added to the system, number of samples collected through our platform, have been growing at an average rate of 49% month over month. So 49% growth rate every month since January. So we're making some substantial headway. There are additional market verticals out there, not just groundwater. We do have a drinking water app, think City of Flint, right? Cannabis, as they legalize cannabis in the different states across the country, soil vapor sampling, and a bunch of other verticals. We are raising $500,000. We have so far raised $2.1 million through these other methods. So we're going to use this money for basically customer acquisition efforts, sales, marketing, and then customer support once they get onboarded to make sure that they transition into a paying customer as quickly and smoothly as possible.